Jeric Al and Sheena May. May your marriage be like Mary and Joseph's journey, filled with nurturing, caring, and loving hearts. May you always find Jesus at the center of your life together. For where He is, there is love that never fails. Sheena May, do you take Jeric Al her present for your local husband according to the rite of our Holy Mother, the Church?
I do.
Choose each other no matter what happens. There are ups and downs, any struggles in life. Choose Jeric always, every day.
Pokemon.
Isa sa pinaka nagustuhan ko sa kanya is yung smile niya. Very genuine yung smile niya. Wala kang mararamdamang kahit anong parang pakipagplastikan pag tumatawa siya. Then halos lumabas na yung buong bagang niya sa pagngiti niya. Doon pa lang mararamdaman mo na. Hindi lang yung smile niya yung makikita, mararamdaman mo rin talaga.
Still wouldn't be long enough.
Itong araw na to yung start ng pagiging isa talaga natin. And ang kaya ko lang i-promise ay is magiging mabuti akong tao para sa'yo. And pipilitin kong lumapit kay God. Hindi lang para sa akin, kundi para sa'yo din.
Together, everything's right in the world when your head's on my shoulder. I love you, I love you, I love you.
Jeric as a partner is someone who's a provider. He's God-fearing then, and he's also family-oriented, like very family-oriented. He's very caring, like grabe ka gentleman.
I could live in this moment.
Medyo excited lang ako na makita siya. Doon nakita ko na kasi sinasamahan ko siya doon sa mga parang trial ng makeup niya. Pero every time kasi na nagme-makeup siya or kahit siya lang mag-try sa bahay, nag-iibang anyo talaga siya. So parang yung element of surprise na kahit ilang beses ko na siya nakitang nag-makeup, masa-surprise pa rin ako kasi alam ko may bagong anyo na naman siya.
To know it, everything's right in the world when your head's on my shoulder. I love you, I love you, I love you a million times over.
Jeric Al, do you take Sheena May here present for your lawful wife, according to the rite of our Holy Mother, the Church.
Yes, Father, I do.
I love you, I love you, I love you forever. You are my favorite song.
So before I walk down the aisle, I hope all your eyes are on me. Dapat lang. And ayaw hilak. Kaya basis makahilak ko. I love you.
Hands on my shoulder. I love you, I love you, I love you a million times over. How much you mean to me feels like infinity or something nobody can measure. I love you, I love you, I love you. I love you, I love you, I love you. I love you. I love you forever.
Aww.
You are beautiful.
Wendy nga.